How's it going? Chris over here at Young's, and we're back again today for the 2009 FLHR, otherwise known as the Road King. You can see on this one, it's had a whole lot of airbrush work done, from the front fender down through the tanks and more. So whether you're a prison guard or a career inmate, this bike fits your style needs. Got a brand new 18-inch windshield on her. Keep the wind out your face. More of that nice airbrush coming in through here. Kuryakin brand hypercharger with your matching blue eyeball on there. The bike also comes equipped with an underbody LED kit that'll get your lights reflecting off your chrome pieces and light up this whole engine bay for you, giving you some more visibility at night for those who want to stay safe out there. Bike comes standard with the leather touring package, leather bags, leather backrest. Everything's nice and quick disconnect, come right off in a few seconds. And Vance & Hines dual exhaust system. You can see we've got the all chrome outer primary on here with our heel toe shifters. Keep that ankle nice and relaxed while you shift up and down with ease. No more marks on the boots. And Harley's good old 4-disc brake calipers. So you got that mad stopping power up front.